Step into the Dodge 2020 Challenger RT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: transmission 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, included, auto stick automatic transmission, remote start system, 3.07 rear axle ratio, tip start, steering wheel mounted shift control, conventional differential, rear axle auto, leather wrapped shift knob, black top package included, black fuel filler door gloss, black IP cluster trim rings, rear black spoiler, Hemi black top fender badge, satin black Dodge tail lamp badge, black top RT badge, wheels 20-inch x 8.0 inches, black noise painted, black grille with bezel, Challenger black top grille badge, tires 245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, quick order package, 28 HRT included, engine 5.7 L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower.